An Dothan man is behind bars after police say that he tried to rob a woman with a BB gun. Police arrested Brayon Vickers after getting a call about shots being fired in a robbery on Ross Clark Circle. After an investigation, they found out that a woman was approached by Vickers, who she believed that he had a gun, and tried to rob her. That's when the victim pulled out her own pistol and shot Vickers once, who then ran away. They later found Vickers after searching him. They then discovered that the gun in the alleged crime was actually a BB gun. Vickers was arrested and charged with robbery.